Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Bub's Bits. And today, for the 4th of July, we're whipping up some of my special mac and cheese. Stand by. Right now we're boiling up what we call curly Q noodles. They're better than elbows, hold more cheese, and man oh man are they filling. Alright, so we've got 6 tablespoons of butter on a very low heat. We're going to add 6 tablespoons of flour to make a roux. Okay, and the roux is what's going to hold and keep all the cheese together and help it stick to that macaroni. Then we're going to add 3 cups. I like to use whole milk. Probably use whatever kind of milk you want. And whisk that in there until it starts to thicken and bubble. What you want to get, you're going to get that roux totally mixed in, no lumps. Okay, you can see now it's thick and bubbly. So we're going to add some heavy cream, 1 cup. And get that in there. Now we're going to start adding our cheeses. So the first, I like to start with a sharp cheddar. And before I add the next cheese, I want to get that stirred in there so it starts to melt and get really, really creamy. Now, one of the things that makes, I think, ours a little bit more unique is that we use an Italian cheese blend. These 5 cheeses give a whole variety of flavors. It makes it a little bit more salty, a little bit more creamy. You've got some Asiago and mozzarella, all kinds of cheeses. All right, and as you can see, that's starting to thicken up nice. And then lastly, we're going to add a little bit of Colby Jack. Lastly, a little salt. And you can be as generous as you like to taste. Some coarse, I like coarse black pepper. You can certainly use fine, but I like that because I like the little speckles of color. And then we're going to stir it all in. All right, there might not be a right or a wrong way. I'm a guy that likes to put the noodles in the pot and mix them that way. And stir it up, get it good and cheese soaked. Takes a little bit of work, but keeps the area cleaner. And that's the finished product. You can add a whole bunch of things to the top. I'll probably do my favorite, which is cracked Ritz crackers, but you can use panko, bacon bits. One of the other things is any of the meat that you trimmed, if you're cooking ribs or whatever, smoke them and sprinkle that meat on them and mix it in there as well. So till next time on Bub's Bits, keep smoking and enjoy.